This is Lenny the Lawyer Live, coming to you today from Yankee Stadium, where it's a beautiful sunny day. And the reason I'm coming to you from Yankee Stadium is I want you to enjoy life to the fullest. And I'm going to talk to you about some of the ways you can do that and prepare to brace yourself for the storm clouds that a lot of people think are coming. Now, this video is not legal advice. This is legal information and hopefully a little education only. And with all that out of the way, let's get started. 2022 is a year unlike any other. I can't predict what the future will hold, but I do know this. You have to be prepared for whatever comes your way. And right now, there are a lot of warning signs on the horizon. You may not be able to afford coming out to Yankee Stadium or any other ballpark in the not too distant future. But that's not to say you can't take steps to get prepared for that. If you have some adversity happening to you now is the time to prepare to deal with that adversity. I can't stress how often clients come to me after the fact. They come with a legal problem, and they come at the 11th hour, or they come after the 11th hour. It's as ridiculous as allowing a pitcher with poor control to stay in the game one inning too long. Look, baseball is a business. Your life is your personal business. But I'm not here to lecture you. I'm here to educate you. If you have a legal problem, you need to involve an attorney right away, because if you involve an attorney and you have a legal problem or a potential for a legal problem, that attorney can either avoid or minimize that problem for you. Now, this is an era of increasing specialization. I practice, and the firm practices in certain areas, which you can see on our website. However, I want you to be aware of a couple of things in particular. Number one, housing values are at an all-time high. And if, God forbid, you're unable to make your mortgage payments and your house is sold in foreclosure, it may sell for more than you actually owe on the mortgage. And if you don't know about that, and you don't know how to get the surplus funds, if your house sells for more than what you owe on your mortgage or mortgages, you're going to lose out on a lot of money potentially. Also, if you go to sign a contract and you don't know what that contract means, you may be buying yourself a lawsuit. For an hour of attorney time, you may be able to save thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, if you have certain questions, or you're interested in knowing more about various legal topics, leave me a comment and indicate what you'd like me to make a video for, and find out how you can get a consultation with Lawyer Coffee LLC, because legal advice can't be given on YouTube or any other form of social media. This is only for general knowledge and educational purposes. If you want a consultation where legal advice can be given, please feel free to call me at 973-798-6131. And we'll be happy to set up a time for a consultation where legal advice can be given. And we know your time is valuable, and I appreciate you spending your time with us today. So let's enjoy the New York Yankees. Hopefully you're a New York Yankee fan like I am. I've been a Yankee fan since I was 7 years old, and I'm 66 right now. And each time I see Aaron Judge or one of these other superstars come to the plate, it excites me. there's nothing like the thrill of New York. No matter what your opinions are about the Yankees or New York, you have to do what's best for you to enjoy your life. And I want you to enjoy your life. Let's minimize the legal problems you face in life and know that an attorney can be a very important member of your team, whether it's for business or personal matters. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain by having an attorney on your team. So avoid legal problems. Call Boyer Coffee, LLC, 973-798-6131. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time.